Hey, Thomas here. I would like to talk about building a startup while you keep your 9 to 5 job. So my first idea was, what if I just leave my 9 to 5 because it takes a lot of time? I can build my own project, right? But after 2 months doing that while still keeping my 9 to 5, time is not a problem, to be honest. Like, I can build in the weekends, in the evening, especially when you are using Codex or Cloud Code. The heavy lifting is not writing the code. The heavy lifting is thinking about what project you should push, how you will market it, what are your ideal customers and stuff like that. So you should keep a 9 to 5 job just to pay the bills. Okay, the challenge is super simple. Every month I build one SaaS MVP. Maybe you will say 1 month is not enough to build a SaaS MVP, but I defined some KPIs or some metrics before starting. If the project doesn't have free paying customers at the end of the first month, I'm just killing the project. If the project fails, it's not a problem. I can just start a new one and I will be better on the new project that I was on the previous one. I think it's super beneficial because you don't spend weeks trying to develop something that people doesn't want really or won't pay for that. So the first project was Pomodoro, which is a session timer, super simple, like actual Pomodoro timer, but with some community features. And I was like, okay, that's an awesome idea. After 1 month, the main focus should not be on the product, right? It should be on the distribution. If no one knows about your product, who will pay for that? Nobody, because no one knows that you are building something, and no one doesn't really care you are building something. Even people on social medias that say, oh wow, the project looks good, they never try it. Okay, it sounds a bit pessimistic, but it's just a reality check. Like, launching a product is super hard, even if you do all your best to make the project super sleek, the code super clean, the deployment perfect from day one. It doesn't matter, like, if you don't have any users. So doesn't spend time on a product that no one wants. 1 month, if it doesn't work, it's okay. Like, I can just start a new one. Like, it's not a big deal. I have no sentimental attachment to the project, so I can just start another one. It was a good idea, maybe, but no one is paying, so I just go to the next idea. If you want to follow me, I just launched a new MVP SaaS, which is called More Prompts. The idea is to provide prompt optimization. I know a lot of people are prompting nowadays, and sometimes with voice like me, and the prompts are trash. The prompts are totally trash at the end. You don't make any efforts to make it sound good or prompt engineered. So that's why I'm pushing for More Prompts, which is a tool that should auto-optimize your prompts for any subjects and with any kind of context. If you want to give it a try, just go on moreprompt.com. To be honest, I hope it will just help you to get the perfect prompt every time you are trying to prompt a model for coding, for content creation, for anything. Actually, the prompt optimization is working in any kind of context.